It's summertime over here in the UK, although you wouldn't believe it if you looked outside the window. It's blowing a hoolie outside at the moment, so this particular juicing recipe might be more suited for a warmer, balmier day than we have here at the moment. Anyway, let's get our juicing on. This is a bit Billy Idol, isn't it? I wonder if he drinks juices. Now then, when I've done one of these videos in the past, the produce, or some of the produce at least, has come from my garden or allotment. In this case though, I've had to buy these from the supermarket. But if you've been growing strawberries, blueberries or raspberries in your garden or on your plot, then get picking, my friend, and yeah, we'll get juicing together. Right, there are no specific measurements to this one. It's just a bowl of raspberries, a bowl of blueberries, and guess what? A bowl of strawberries there. Look at that one there. An absolute unit of a strawberry. He's pretty good as well. Can't wait. Right, let's get to it. Right, let's start with the raspberries. Whack them in. Is that a cooking term? Even though we're not cooking. Is that a juicing term? Whack them in. Anyway. They are whacked in. Let's get this party started. Well, not much juice there, but let's up the ante with the strawberries. Strawberries going in, the big ones are in. You think I've filled that up too much? Probably. Let's see it spray everywhere. Give it a shove down. Right, here we go. That's more like it. Now we're getting somewhere with this juicing malarkey. Right, blueberries up next. Come on, blueberries. Do your worst. Bit more. Bit more. Here we go. That pouring went a bit tango uniform, didn't it? But I don't care, because I can tell this is going to be a totally different result to when I tried to juice a rhubarb and drink that. This already, oh, smells like heaven. Oh, right, I just want to dive right into it now. So, bottoms up, cheers, santé, salut, whatever. God, I don't want to stop. Oh. Top dollar. Right there. That is a fantastic little mix, if I do say so myself. In fact, I just want to keep drinking it and not talk. Hold on. Oh. In fact, I'm going to call this my top dollar juice. So there we go, people. You might want to chuck in a couple of ice cubes if you fancy, or garnish it with a bit of mint. Yeah, do what you like with it. But those 3 berries certainly worked for me. Oh, that's good. I'm sure there are loads of vitamins and such in that I should be telling you about, but whatever. I haven't done my research. I've just chucked in 3 types of berries and gone for it. Anyway, that's it for this particular video. More juicing videos will be on their way, maybe in a couple of weeks' time. I've got a couple of vegetable juicing ideas that I want to try out. But until then, I think that's it for this particular video. So yeah, as usual, thank you for joining me. If you have, remember to hit that like button, share, subscribe, but most importantly, please do comment down below. And until the next one, bye for now.